Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivi Wogu. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. So today's video is going to be more of, it is a hair video and it's also a review video. In one of my videos where I unboxed the Nova 2000 watt hair dryer, I told you guys I was going to come back with another video to review it and tell you what I think about the hair dryer. Now I'm going to be trying the hair dryer on camera with you guys. I have tried this hair dryer before, and I just have a few things to say. In terms of durability, I don't think this hair dryer would be durable because the comb attachment that I was so happy about the first time I tried it, it broke. I think I will insert a clip of the experience, show you guys what happened. So I already started doing this side initially, and I had to use the extension, the comb extension, the comb attachment, but it just kept, see, it's broken. Oh Jesus. But this is the only attachment that is still good, that's still working. So I'm just going to find a way to use it. It's kind of tight when you want to fix it into, like when you want to fix it onto this, it's too tight, it doesn't really fit properly. You have to like squeeze so hard, so it gets difficult to use, and then if you squeeze too much it breaks, and that's what broke the first attachment, like the comb attachment. So I'm just going to try this. I washed my hair last night. The time is currently 6 a.m. so yeah, we'll just start and I'll show you guys how it's going to work. Okay, I'll be using this Cantu, I don't know if it's focused. Ooh, it's the Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant, and I'll also be using this is coconut oil to oil my hair when I'm done. So let's start. First of all, I'll just use this detangling brush and detangle a little, and then I'll go in with the heat protecting spray, just a little. Smells really nice. I think this is for the heats. If you want it to be hot, to use this one, and then this is the, what you call it, the power control, I guess, because once you put this on then it starts working. So this is the first level.
Yes, I am. Are you ready? Yes, I am.
I find that if you let your hair air dry for some time, it gets easier to blow dry it, like it becomes faster. So I just finished with the I just finished with drying my hair. I decided to change my shirt so you guys can see the length of the hair, because that dark shirt was going to interfere. My hair is dark as well. So yeah, this is it.
Are you ready?
So this is how my hair is looking. I need to trim my hair. Here's the length. This is from the back. So it's an okay hair dryer. I just don't like the fact that it's not strong enough. Like I told you, the comb attachment broke the first day I tried to use it. So it's not durable at all. It's not strong enough. And the heat settings are okay. They're very good. It gets really hot, like very well. And then it doesn't really take that much time. I think I did my hair for like an hour and 30 minutes, but just because I was also detangling in the process. So it took me that long. But yeah, this is it so far. And here's how much hair I lost. I lost quite a lot of hair. Quite a lot of hair because I was detangling as well. So yeah. So far so good. Also for the price, I think it did really well, because like I said, it was 8,000 something from Jumia, because I got it from Jumia. So I think if you want to get this hair dryer, it's okay to get it. If you're looking for something affordable that can get the job done as well, then you can definitely go for this one. Just trying to pack the hair so I can show you guys. I just need a serious trim. Let me just do a quick 360 for you guys. So this is it from the side. And this is it from the back. And from the side as well. So yeah guys, if you watched up until this point, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.